Luca. Sister. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, cheering me up, pushing sorrows down, and laughing our hearts out, no worries and no doubts. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, baking pies, eating fries, and singing out together the best lullabies. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, helping me climb a tree and reading out for me the best story. Sister, sister, my lifetime friend, always beside me till the very end, buying me candy, always come in handy, building up with me towers so tall. Bingo's ball is gone. Bingo and I were playing fetch, playing fetch, playing fetch. Bingo and I were playing fetch one sunny day. I threw the ball a bit too far, bit too far, bit too far. I threw the ball a bit too far, far, far away. Bingo ran to bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bingo ran to bring it back so that we can play. He came back with nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. He came back with nothing at all, the ball had gone away. I went to go and take a look, take a look, take a look. I went to go and take a look, I looked around all day. I looked for the ball here and there, here and there, here and there. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. Up we'll hop and learn a lot, as fast as we could caper, and sing aloud and reach the clouds with happiness and wild scrapers. With happiness and wild scrapers. Tomorrow we'll bring up the skill that we've been trying to master. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. On we'll run under the sun, as fast as we could caper, and sing aloud and reach the clouds with happiness and wild scrapers. With happiness and wild scrapers. Tomorrow we'll bring up the skill that we've been trying to master. We'll master it and conquer it, and maybe we'll teach it after. And maybe we'll teach it after. The grocery store. In the grocery store we have fun, fun, fun. Whatever we want, we'll get one. We find their veggies and we find their peas. Let us fill our basket with some chocolate, please. We pick our bread and we pick our meat, and we choose everything we like to eat. Everything is there, so why the wait? Come on, let's go and don't be late, late, late. In the grocery store we have fun, fun, fun. Whatever we want, we'll get one. We find their gum and we find magazines, and we fill our basket with some jelly beans. We pick our chicken, cheese, fries, and steak, and now we are ready, let's go buy a cake. Everything is there, so why the wait? Come on, let's go and don't be late, late, late. Table manners. Knife, fork, spoon, learn with me, right hand knife, left hand fork. It's table manners. Knife, fork, spoon, learn with me, right hand spoon. Let's eat soup. It's delicious. Let's eat soup. It's delicious. Rainbow colors.
If all the rainbows were butterflies and candies, oh, what a colorful dream! Sliding on gold while glitters unfold. La 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 la. If red color was roses piled in poises, oh, what a good smell dream! If orange color was a sun up the sky, oh, when sunlight beams, and yellow flowers bloom after rain showers. La 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 la. If green color was grass in my garden, oh, when a bright sky of blue. If indigo color was a big white pool, oh, what a beautiful view! Standing on land, holding violets in my hand. La 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 la. If all the rainbows were butterflies and candies, oh, what a colorful dream!
Snowman song.
Let's go build a white snowman, a white snowman, a white snowman. Let's go build a white snowman with a carrot for his nose, two black buttons for his eyes, for his eyes, for his eyes, two black buttons for his eyes, and two sticks for his arms. He can wear a scarf around his neck, around his neck, around his neck. He can wear a scarf around his neck and hope he does not melt. He can wear a hat on his head, on his head, on his head. He can wear a hat on his head on a cold and snowy morning.